Gus is a toy hauler. I'm actually surprised at how well that fit right in here, like it was meant to be. Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of Gus the Bus. I don't know why I'm saying guys plural. Nobody watches my videos yet. But anyways, I'm taking the bus up on a forest road near Mount Rainier. And yeah, change of plans. I'm going to have to turn around and find somewhere else. And I am losing daylight really quickly, so I got to hurry up and find a spot. This is one of the worst roads I've driven on. This is better. Thinking this is going to be my spot because I am really running out of time. Looks like a good spot, not too bad. Some spots to ride the quad, it looks like. Not bad. This will be good. Oh, look at that trail right there. Quad trail. Man, it is really starting to come down right now. I gotta stop fiddle farting around and get set up. It's supposed to rain like this all night. And I was gonna bring a tarp to tie up in the trees, make a fire underneath, but I forgot the freaking tarp. I gotta stop forgetting stuff, man. At least I brought a lighter this time. So I'm going to scrap the plans to have a fire tonight, unless the rain lets up a little bit. I don't want to sit out there and just get soaked. So maybe I'll have a fire in the morning instead, but for now I'm just going to get some dinner started. I changed my mind. The rain let up a little bit, so built a fire. Somebody just drove by and yelled out the window, "There's bears out here!" It actually turned out to be not a bad night. But it's starting to rain again. The rain held up for a couple hours though, so that was nice. But I'm going to head inside and get some dinner going now. So I had a recipe I was gonna make online, but for some reason I didn't think to screenshot the recipe, and I have no internet connection. So now I have to make creamy steak fettuccine off the top of my head. Okay, I know I need steak. I never know how much pasta to use. I always end up with way too little or way too much. I'm a mess. Oh gosh. I'm a mess. What am I doing? That's probably a good amount. pasta is perfectly al dente, whatever the hell that means. So I think the recipe told me to put flour in here. I'll just see what happens. I don't know. Yeah, this steak is about as rare as it gets, but that's okay. I kind of like it like that. It's really good. Thousand Island dressing. I know the recipe didn't call for this, but I thought it might be good. Topped with a bit of Parmesan. Doesn't look half bad, but I know it's not going to taste very good. The pasta's going to suck, but the steak's good. This video is sponsored by Liquid Death. Just kidding. Maybe one day. Not too bad. Just tastes like floury pasta with a little bit of Thousand Island. I'd give that dinner a 5 out of 10 because half of it was good, the other half sucked. I should have found a more level place to park the bus. It's like this. So, hopefully I don't roll off the bed in the middle of the night. That's a pretty long ways down. So I got 2 comforters and a sleeping bag. I think I'm going to stay plenty warm tonight. And if it's an emergency, I got a little buddy heater. Sound of the rain hitting the roof is going to put me right to sleep. Right to sleep is where I'm going. Talk to you guys in the morning. It snowed. Do some 4-wheeler snow ripping this morning. That'll be fun. And after that, we'll go check out a waterfall. And that's about it on the itinerary for today. I should not have done that. Oh, no. Dang it. So are you pretty much off grid out here?
Oh yeah.
You got solar panels and stuff?
Power. Yeah, I'm solar.
Dang. That's cool. That's like my dream.
It's rough in the winter because there ain't no fucking sun.
Yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
just haul water from the creek. And I'll tell you one thing, dude. You appreciate water. When you got to haul your own water and do all that shit, it's a little bit different story. You take it easy and work on it, man.
I will. Get out of your hair. Stay safe.
Okay, you take it easy. Be careful out
I
there.
will.
Thanks.
I was not expecting to bump into anybody way up here on just some random trail. Can't believe he actually lives up here, man. That was cool. He definitely needed somebody to talk to. Got Gus all packed up now. I'm ready to head home, but before I head home, I'm gonna go check out a waterfall. It's supposed to be flowing really big right now, so. There's people right there. Hey guys. Everyone's so friendly up in the mountains, man. How can you not be? That is one full river.
You can get right, you can walk under it.
Dang. That there, Clark, is a waterfall. If it was a skosh warmer, I'd think about jumping in and swimming, but it's like 40 degrees, so that's not happening. Time for the trek back to the bus. All wet, soaking wet. Hopefully that shot was worth it. That's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. New episodes every Thursday, and until then, take care of yourselves.